Welcome to the Allen Block Workshop. We're thrilled to have you here. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through our comprehensive video library, answering the what, how, and why behind the Allen Block Workshop videos. Let's start with the what. So, what exactly are the AB Workshop videos? Well, they are a treasure trove of resources, a digital library of knowledge, and a guide to everything Allen Block. Our videos cover a wide range of topics, from products and tools to software and apps. Now, let's dive into the how. We've taken special care to format these mobile-friendly videos to cater to different customer groups to be specific and short to keep your time in mind. This should make working with Allen Block the easiest thing someone does each day. These videos provide user-friendly, in-depth tutorials, best practices, and step-by-step installation guides to ensure durable structures can be built with ease using the Allen Block products. In addition, we've created videos for design professionals, offering advanced insights and technical details that can aid in their projects with our AB Walls design software. Now, let's explore the why. Why have we created these videos? The answer is simple: to provide training and assistance 24/7. Construction projects don't adhere to a 9-to-5 schedule, and neither should your access to helpful resources. Our video library is available year-round, so you can access the information you need when you need it. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, our videos are designed to enhance your knowledge, simplify your work, and ultimately make Allen Block experiences seamless and satisfying. In conclusion, the Allen Block Workshop video library that is found at allenblock.com is your ultimate resource, packed with information, engaging, and readily accessible content that caters to your specific needs. From the what to the how and the why, we've got you covered. So, dive into our video library and make working with Allen Block the easiest thing you do each day. Stay tuned for more exciting content from the Allen Block Workshop. Until next time, happy building, always better, always Allen Block.